Hello, I got one of these instant scratch lotteries for Christmas. It's the Christmas edition crosswords one. It's from Australia. And once I scratched this top panel, I wasn't really sure what I should do next. I flipped it over, read the instructions, flipped it back again, flipped it over, read the instructions, and I was struggling to make any sense of it all. But anyway, I finally worked it out. So today I'm going to share with you how you play this scratch lottery. So what you do here is all these letters, there's 20 letters, starting with S, and then U, and then I. And then what you do is you take the first letter, the S, and then you scratch off anywhere in this crossword section, and in the extra word, anywhere where you see the letter S. So there's an S there for Santa. So I'll scratch that off. And let's see if I can see another S. There's an S there in U's. Solo, there's an S. And that might be it. I know there's one down there in Scurry. Okay. And then the next letter is U. So then you go through and find all the U's there. And you scratch those off. There's a U there in education. Yep. Talcum, there's a U. And lumbar, lithium, pug are all the U's. You go to the next letter then, which is a letter I. So I'll find all the I's. There's an I there in education, an I in lithium. And electric has an I. And I think that might be about it. And so you just work through all those 20 letters and just scratching off this board into this crossword board, and then the extra word. And the goal is to find 3 words. So you've got 3 words that all the letters are scratched out, and so all the letters are appearing up in this top grid. And 4 words, you win $12, and so forth. So I'll keep scratching through all those letters, and come back at the end and show you what I found. Okay, so I believe I've scratched off all the letters down in this crossword grid and that extra word that are appearing up in this top game part of the game. And I need to actually have 3 words that are totally scratched, all the letters are scratched out of, to win. And as far as I can tell, I've just got 2, which is Santa, which all the letters are appearing up here, and Nab, which is all the letters are appearing up here. But everything else has pretty well at least 1 letter in the word that is not in this top grid, this top group of letters. So I'd have to say that this instant lottery is not a winning ticket. So yeah. So anyway, I've done this video so you know. So if you get one of these for Christmas, and you'll know exactly how to how it works. Okay. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.